My spiritual team is always guiding me with love and wisdom. I hear my guides clearly. I clearly recognize the voice of my higher guidance. Signs and synchronicities from my team come to divinely connected. I feel my intuition is sharp. Angels around me. My spirit team